In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a manager or admin to a Slack channel, step by step. This is super useful if you're working in a team and want to give someone more control over a specific channel without making them a workspace admin. Whether you're delegating responsibilities, managing projects, or just need help moderating conversations, this quick Slack tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. From the left sidebar, navigate to the channel where you want to add a manager or admin. This can be any public or private channel where you already have the required permissions. Click directly on the channel name so it opens and becomes active. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and click on the channel name again. This will open the channel details panel, where you can see information like the channel description, topic, and member list. From this panel, find and click on Members option. This will show you a full list of everyone who is currently part of the channel. Now, scroll through the list or use the search option to find the person you want to promote to a channel manager or admin. Once you find their name, look to the right side of it and click on the three dots next to their profile. This opens a small menu with different actions you can take for that member. In this menu, click on the option that says Make Channel Manager. Slack may show a confirmation message letting you know what permissions the channel manager will have. Go ahead and confirm the action. And that's it. The selected person is now a channel manager and can help manage members, settings, and moderation for that specific channel. Keep in mind that channel managers have control only within that channel and not across the entire workspace, which makes this a safe and flexible way to delegate responsibility. If you ever need to remove or change their role later, you can follow the same steps and adjust their permissions from the members list. That's how easy it is to add a manager or admin to a Slack channel. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.